and Devabroto Das is the additional editor, and Biswajit Maiti is the managing editor. Now, as per our convention, we place one painting of eminent artist in our cover page, and this painting is from artist Basudev Mandal. Title is Recovery. So this is the cover page of our journal. In our last issue, we have placed one painting of Attoja Virupa Das. So let me share. This was a painting. Is it visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is the painting of Attoja in our last issue. So in this way
Excellent painting, sir.
we place one of the painting from an eminent artist, and Attoja is a junior artist. So in this way, and so we are publishing all the papers that are presented here under a separate heading, biodiversity. Now, since it is a conference of biodiversity, so let me say something about that. The Biodiversity Act was enacted by the Parliament of India in the year 2002. In the section 2B of the Act describes the biodiversity. Now, the main purpose of the Act was to preserve or the preservation of biological diversity in India. The National Biodiversity Authority is a statutory autonomous body under the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India, and State Biodiversity Board is also there. Now, environmental education and awareness program is one of the aspects that come under this act. So, this type of conferences or seminars or webinar play a vital role for generating awareness and knowledge. Now, in this conference, we have seen so many good presentations, papers are presented, and I hope all of us have enriched from this presentation, especially the students. Now, the goal of the Biodiversity Act is not only to aware the people of the community or the society, but also to aware the government as well. It may be local government, state government, or central government. But the National Biodiversity Authority is having the sole responsibility to aware. So, by holding programs, seminars, projects, they try to do that, and I hope the Biodiversity Authority is doing their job good. Now, the papers that are presented in the conferences or in a seminar or webinar, if those papers are published in a journal, in a reputed journal, then I hope that gives an additional mileage to the awareness. Our journal is a peer-reviewed journal. It was UGC enlisted, and we are trying to make this journal to be listed in the care list. So we have already applied for that, and I hope it will be enlisted very soon. So this is all about my small speech about our journal. So I hope this conference will be very much effective for all each and every participants. Thank you all. Hello.
Thank you, Dr. Roy. Your presence in our conference was very thankful. And all the papers by all of our presenters are accepted in your journal. So we thank you for that, for accepting all the papers in the journal of IJID. And everyone view the journal. You can read it is a very good journal. The interesting papers are also presented. The interesting papers are also there. And now, without delaying the time, there is a certificate giving ceremony. So we would be moving on to that as it is already 8:30. And I'll be now starting up my presentation of the certificates, and I will be requesting our guests to be handing over the certificate to our presenters, because it is an online program, so we can't virtually meet. So first of all, I will request Dr. Adhiprasad Shahu, Principal, Shiva Bharati Mahavidyalaya, Jhargram. Sir, if you are there, can you please come forward to give the certificate?
Okay, on the first day of National Conference on Biodiversity Conservation, two papers were presented. They are presented paper very nicely. And first technical session, Dr. Mithu De, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Gurudas College, presented her paper very nicely. And second technical session, Dr. Jamuna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Nambol College, Nambol, Manipur. He is also presented her paper very nicely. I am presenting the certificate to Dr. Mithu De and Dr. Jamuna Devi. Thank you. Dr. Mithu De and Jamuna Devi, Dr. Jamuna Devi, I am presenting the certificate, both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now we'll be moving to the next certificates. So for that, I request Shri Visheshwar Chakraborty, Officer in Charge, Lalgarh Government College. So if you are there, come forward to please present the certificate.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity, and I am happy to be a part of it. So I would like to offer my gratitude in form of certificate to Dr. S. Gamathi, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Geology, V.O. Chidambaram College, Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu, India.
Thank you, sir. Actually, we had a little change in the program, so we are giving Dr. Vinod Kumar Sharma the opportunity to present another certificate. So thank you, sir, for your presence. So this was a certificate with Dr. S. Gamathi. Now, I would request Dr. Vinod Kumar Sharma, Associate Professor, AVNCL College. So if you are there, can you please come forward to give the certificate of Dr. Jai Thakur? I repeat, Dr. Vinod Kumar Sharma, sir, are you there? So I don't think sir is there. The Sri Visheshwar Chakraborty, sir, you can proceed with giving this certificate also.
Okay, let me also present my offer of gratitude to Dr. Thank you.
Namaste, Rana.
Welcome.